What if I told you there's a way to make up to $900 a day online, even if you have no experience, no tech skills, and no following? What if you could learn the exact skills to build a profitable online business from scratch, in just 2 hours a day? If you're searching YouTube right now for how to make money online, work from home opportunities, or how to start an online business as a beginner, you just found something real. Because this isn't a side hustle, this is a skill set. And when you learn the skills, the money becomes the byproduct. Let's be honest, most people don't just lack money, they lack time. You've been taught to work harder, longer hours, and still never seem to get ahead. You show up every day, grind it out, maybe even work multiple jobs, and still can't find the time or energy to create real freedom. If you feel overworked, underpaid, and like you're living paycheck to paycheck, you're not alone. But what if the problem isn't you? What if the problem is the system you were plugged into? Because the truth is, the traditional system was never built to make you wealthy. It was built to keep you working for someone else's dream. Now let's flip that. Imagine learning how to build your own digital business, where you control your time, your income, and your freedom. A business you can grow in just 2 hours a day using social media and automation. A business where you can earn 100% profit per sale, up to $900 or more, by reselling high-value digital products that people already want and need. And the best part? You don't need tech skills, paid ads, or a massive following. We teach you everything step by step. Inside this program, you're going to learn the exact blueprint thousands of beginners are using right now to start making money online. You'll get access to a Launch to Profit plan that shows you how to get your first sale online in as little as 7 days. You'll also become a certified reseller, so you can market with confidence and avoid the mistakes most people make when trying to build income online. We're not just giving you tools, we're teaching you the skills that create income. Skills like content creation, social media marketing, automation, attraction-based branding, and how to grow a business that runs even while you sleep. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven business model that's helped everyday people, 5 workers, stay-at-home parents, college dropouts, people with no experience, build real online income from the ground up. And you're never doing it alone. You'll have access to live mentoring and coaching from 6- and 7-figure online earners, plus a global community of thousands of like-minded entrepreneurs who are here to support you every step of the way. Every week you'll be learning directly from people who have already built financial freedom online, and they're here to show you exactly how to do the same. Now let's talk results. Our community is full of people earning $300, $600, even $900 plus per day using just their phone and this blueprint. Some make back their investment in a matter of days. Others go on to build 5- and 6-figure businesses, working just a couple of hours a day. But here's the key, it all starts with learning the skills. Because once you learn how to earn your first $10K online, the second is even easier. And that's exactly what we're focusing on right now. We're in the middle of a massive push to help as many people as possible create their first $10K online this April. That's not just a number, it's a breakthrough. When you realize you can generate 5 figures from your laptop, everything changes, you stop relying on your job, you stop hoping for a raise, and you start building real freedom, one sale at a time. So here's your invitation. If you're ready to learn how to build a profitable online business with no tech overwhelm, no fluff, and no false promises, then go to 7figuremonk.com right now. You'll get instant access to the full training system, certification, the step-by-step launch plan, and live support from mentors who are walking the walk. Don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There's only right now. This is your chance to finally build income on your terms. Whether you want an extra $300 a week or you're ready to scale to $10K months, the blueprint is here, the support is here, the system is here. You just have to start. Go to 7figuremonk.com and take the first step toward your future. I'll see you inside the community, and I can't wait to celebrate your success.